Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Ellie Bankston and I am the program coordinator for the Health Science Magnet program at Osseo Senior High. I'd like to take a couple minutes here just to give you a quick overview of how the program works, what are the benefits to students, and what are also the requirements to be in the program. The Health Science Magnet program is designed to support students who are interested in careers in the medical field. We do this a couple of different ways. We work to build essential patient care skills through hands-on learning experiences. You can see some of that happening in the pictures on this slide. Those hands-on pieces are kind of what makes this learning so much fun and valuable. We want to make sure that our students have those skills when they're entering into their next steps. We also offer opportunities for students to build relationships with professionals in the medical industry. Students have opportunities to connect through many different guest speakers, field trips to different medical facilities, and we also offer internship opportunities. We also provide options for students to earn credit at designated colleges. So many of our health science classes are college level, and if you earn a B or better, you have the opportunity to apply that as a college credit, which saves money and time. We also work to help students build a resume that will set them apart when applying to medical programs. So I'm going to talk a little bit more about that. So how do students benefit from being in the program? We have two main goals for our students in the program. First of all, we want to make sure that throughout their experience, they're developing a solid foundation of medical knowledge. This happens through all of the health science classes that they take during their time at Osseo. So we offer health science themed science classes where students will get medical knowledge embedded within their science classes. And then we also have many electives that offer things like emergency scenarios. We have a nursing lab, we have an emergency skills lab where students are able to practice these skills. We also want to make sure, the second part of our goal is that as students are leaving our doors and they're graduating and going off to their next steps, that they're going to be a competitive applicant. So most areas in medicine are very competitive to get into. We want to make sure that our scholars' applications are being put to the top of the stack. And so we do that in a couple different ways. The biggest way is that throughout our program, students can earn professional certifications. These certifications are certifications required by any medical professional to work in the medical industry. Most people get these certifications in college or after college. So students that are earning them as high school students is a very special thing. It also those certifications allow students to begin working in the medical field. So now not only are you getting certified at a young age, you're also being able to start getting work experience at a young age, which is very rare. Mentioned earlier, we have many opportunities for articulated college credits. Through this, students can show that they're taking high-level courses that's setting them apart. And then we also give them access to experts through guest speakers, field trips, clinicals at different nursing homes. We offer job shadows and observational experiences. And these experiences with the experts allow students to begin building their network, creating those connections. So as you're applying and moving towards your next steps, those people can be very instrumental in helping to connect you in the right direction. So the next piece is what is required to be in the program. You can see here we have a little bit different requirements for each of the grade levels. Ninth grade, you are required to be in a physics first class, and most of the time we actually recommend that you be in a health science physics first class. Health science physics first covers the same material as physics first, but it embeds more medical information in labs and notes. So it's just kind of teaching that physics through more of a medical lens. They also do some career exploration in that class, which is helpful for picking your health science electives moving forward. In 10th grade, you're required to take 4 health science credits, 11th grade 5, and 12th grade 5 as well. Your required science courses count towards these credits, and so that helps to lighten the load. These are the minimum numbers. Many of our health science students end up taking many more health science credits than this. And here you'll see all of the courses that count towards those totals mentioned on the last slide. At the top are our science courses. We offer health science, physics first, health science, chemistry, health science, biology. All of these courses cover the general science content, but with more of a medical lens, as mentioned before. On the bottom part of this list, you'll see all of the elective options. Students are able to piece together the electives that most closely align with their career goals. And lastly, I wanted to mention our program academies. So our students self-identify into one of the 4 academies listed here based on their career aspirations. So emergency services is for students who are interested in EMT work, ambulatory work, emergency room work, trauma response. We have a nursing academy. That one's pretty self-explanatory. There's so many different specialties in nursing that are available to students. General medicine is for students who see themselves going to medical school someday, so doctors, surgeons, those sort of jobs. And then mental health is for students interested in careers like counseling, psychiatry, psychology, social work, those sort of mental health supports that we need in our systems as well. Students choose which academy they feel best aligns with their goals, and then that helps us tailor their experience in the program so that we're making sure that the guest speakers we're bringing in are connecting with them, and that different opportunities in different medical facilities are connected with the student's interest. So, if you're feeling like this program might be a good fit, your next step would be to submit an application. All students in the program have to apply to be in the program. Our seats are numbered and our seats do fill each year. Priority applications are being accepted right now through December 31st, and those applications are handled and submitted through Northwest Suburban Integration School District. You can see the website listed here, and then you just choose the Magnet Schools tab at the top and then Magnet Lottery to access the application. The application is pretty short and easy, and then once submitted, they will, after the 31st, the application will close, and then Northwest Suburban runs a lottery for the available seats in the program. And then they reach out to families to let them know if they will be offering a seat to them. If you have any questions about this process or anything about how the program works and supports students, please don't hesitate to reach out to my email shown here. We can try to answer anything that you have over email, or we can even schedule a one-on-one meeting to sort of go over everything if you'd like. Thank you so much.